on this very important topic of the law of karma. To sum it up, we would like to say a few things. As finally said, there is no God out there to write your fate here. Okay. You write through your own past. God has made me like this. In that sentence, remove the word God. You must put your past karma. My past karma has made me like this. So, if you remove the word God and put the word my past karma, then you are speaking of spiritual science. If you are putting the word God, then you are not speaking spiritual science. So, my dear friends, Buddha removed the word God and put karma, law of karma there. Then the whole scene changes. We want to give the credit to some God or throw the blame on some God. It is not possible. You have to take the credit to yourself. You have to take the blame also on yourself. So, you create your own greatness or you create your own stupidity. You create your own sanity or you create your own insanity. You are responsible. Not somebody else. Not some invisible force. Not your creator. So, when you remove the word God, wherever there is God, remove the word God and put my past karma. Then you get it. God has created me. God has not created you. Your past karma has created you. Now we are all here in this room. Who has created this situation? Your own past karma created your present situation. If you have not done meditation, if you have not received the information about this IFSS, you would not be here. Many people who don't know anything about this, they are not here. They are not here because they have not become informed of it. So, your own past karma has determined your current situation. And your current karma will define your future situations. So, who is the creator? Who is the sustainer? Who is the destroyer? Who is the Brahma? Who is the Vishnu? Who is the Shiva? Your karma is the Vishnu, your karma is the Shiva, your karma is the Brahma. You create your reality, you sustain your reality, and you also end your reality. One girl wants to marry, so she has to select another husband and go to another place. It is because of her decision, she moves away from the parents and goes to another house. She has created that situation. If she does not want to marry, she will not go anywhere. She will stay only with the parents. Isn't it? So, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, creator, sustainer, destroyer. Creator of a situation, sustainer of a situation, destroyer of the situation, transformation of the situation, all because of your own choices. As you choose, so you become. Everything is your choice. After lunch, you could have gone home, but yet you have stayed back. So when you stayed back, you will listen to some more wisdom. If you go back, okay, you don't want wisdom. You want sleep. Now you don't want sleep, you want wisdom. You will get wisdom. Remove the word God and put law of karma. Then you will have spiritual science. Spiritual science is essentially law of karma. The more you are a spiritual scientist, the more you talk about law of karma. You study law of karma. You explain law of karma. You exhort law of karma. You propagate law of karma. In the pyramid spiritual society movement, there is no word God. there is law of karma. Buddha never used the word God. For Buddha, there is no Rama, there is no Krishna, there is no Vishnu, there is no Brahma, there is no Ishvara. And there is only karma for Buddha. As you think, so you become. As you speak, so you become. As you eat, so you become. As you interact with others, so you become. As you listen to others, so you become. As you see others, so you become. See, the word G-O-D, God, does not exist in spiritual science. It does not exist. If the word G-O-D, God, tell me one more thing. India is a big country. Who is ruling India? Prime Minister or President? Who is ruling? Nobody is ruling nobody. They are all doing their jobs. One man goes, another man comes. Nobody is ruling India. Nobody is ruling. Manmohan Singh is not ruling Shankar Narayan. He is not ruling. In no way is concerned. Manmohan Singh is no way concerned with Shankar Narayan. So, creators of many galaxies, they are no way concerned with you and me. We are independent entities. Our story is because of ourselves. Our existence is because of ourselves. Manmohan Singh has got no influence on any other Indian. He is doing a job. Finance Minister is doing a job. Chief Minister is doing a job. Collector is doing a job. They are not ruling over anybody. There is no ruler. You rule yourself. You mold yourself. You make yourself or you mar yourself. Either you progress because of you or you sit back because of you. If you want leisure, you sit back. If you want work, you will work hard. Depends upon you. Where you want to be, how you want to be. In spiritual science, you will never find the word God. G-O-D does not exist. What does exist? Law of karma. When you can remove from your mind, see, since our childhood, we have been God. Worship God, pray God, beg God. He will give you. He has created you. He writes you are here. Brahma writes here. No, we have been brought up in such things. But when you become an intelligent soul, when you think for yourself, when you study spiritual science, when you do meditation, what happens is that all these things goes away and the law of karma comes. The more you think of God, the more religious you are. But the more you think of law of karma, the more scientific you are. If you want to be scientific, it's your choice. If you don't want to be scientific, it's again your choice. If you want to be scientific, you will go this way. If you don't want to be scientific, you will go another way. Your future is always created by your present. Your past has always been created by your own past. And past, present, future will always be there. There will be never a time when there is no future. There will be never a time when there is no present. Present is always there, future is always there. What you think, what you desire, what you contemplate, what you receive, what you listen to, what you study, what you eat, all these things are inputs, creating their own corresponding outputs. So, spiritual scientists always talk of karma, law of karma. You have done like this before, therefore you are reaping this today. If you are doing this today meditation, you will reap that tomorrow. If you eat chicken and mutton, you will have so many problems. If you help other souls, you will have so many good things. It's up to you. Your own past free will is your current destiny. Your current free will is your future destiny. So, my dear friends, remove from your mind that there is somebody sitting over you, writing your destiny. There is no God over you. You are the God for yourself. I am the God for myself. Rajanji is the God for himself. We constantly reap what we sow. If we do meditation, if you open your third eye, your future will be different. If you don't do meditation, if you don't open your third eye, your future will be different. So, meditation burns all sanchita karmas. How do you burn all the karmas? Then you are free of the karma. Karma is another word for destiny. So, burning all the karmas is only through meditation. When you achieve oneness with everybody. Through meditation, we go into that consciousness where we are one with everybody. So when we go to that state of consciousness, then all the past karmas are burned. So there is no seed to give a sprout. The seed is burned. From the outside, the seed is there, but from the inside, the seed is burned. Finally, to conclude on the karma, one statement, Muktabhimani muktohi baddho baddhabhimanyapi kim vadantiha satyayam ya matihi sa gatir bhavet. This is from Ashtavakra Gita. Muktabhimani. Mukti means enlightenment. Abhimani means one who wants. Muktabhimani muktohi. A man who wants enlightenment will become enlightened. Muktabhimani muktohi. Baddho baddhabhimanyapi. Baddho means bondage. A man who wants bondage will become bonded. A man who wants enlightenment will become enlightened. Ya matihi sa gatir bhavet. As your mind is, so your destiny. Gati is destiny, mati is mind. Ya matihi sa gatir bhavet. As your mind is, so your destiny. Your destiny depends upon your mind. Your mind is another word for free will. Your mind is another word for free will. Gati is destiny. What happens in the future? Mati is in the present. Your choice is in the present. So, ya matihi sa gatir bhavet. So, this is the great statement on law of karma from Ashtavakra Gita. I want everybody to remember this. This is all the law of karma.
ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರಲಿರುವ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.